Hello everyone. Today we're going to be talking about eagle. Melissa, what's one thing that you love about this posture?
My joints are so happy after eagle's done.
I know, right? That's how I feel too. Definitely in the struggle, but that's what's the beauty about the posture. So a couple of key things in eagle. Feet together nicely, arms over your head sideways. Bring your right arm under your left arm. So what's important, many people miss that part. So maybe you might be here or a different version, but when you bring your arm underneath, yes, you can now pull your elbows down. So hands palms together or interlace your fingers to really pull your elbows down more. Beautiful. Sit down until your hips touch the chair. So hips back like awkward, which is also really helpful. If you have any sciatic nerve issues, this will really help stretch the sciatic nerve. Upper body leaning back. Lift your right leg up as high as possible. And bring your right foot underneath the left calf muscle. Another important key component, the foot underneath the calf muscle. Beautiful. So all 5 toes are visible in the front mirror. Sit down more and twist like ropes. Arch your upper body back. Bring your knees to the right and the upper body to the left. To line up your feet, knees, elbows, hands, everything in one line. Beautiful. If your foot is coming out, sit down deeper. If you're losing the balance, upper body back more. Suck your stomach in. Pull your elbows down more. Upper body back at the end. And just try to relax. That's the key. Relax. Change. Beautiful. Wonderful. And enjoy this next time you are in class.
Namaste.
Thanks. See you on your mat.